Hello guys, this is Nimbo Masti again. Last time I posted a video regarding P106 installation. However, many people are facing an issue during installation. Snapshot on the screen, and we have a resolution for that. Please follow the steps. First, we need to install DDU download driver, and this is a display driver installation. It will remove your previous graphic driver. The download will be automatically start in a few seconds. So it's just a 1.2 MB. Once the download done, you have to run the exe and select the type GPU and NVIDIA. It will remove your old previous graphic driver. Once the installation is done, you need to restart your system. And we have to download GeForce Game Ready driver P106, and I run the setup. Basically it will take time. It will take a lot of time. I'm forwarding this video. All the links in the description, so you don't have to worry about it. Once the installation is done, you need to launch, and maybe I'll get the error. Yeah, this is the error, P016. For that we need to change some setting in registry edit. Please follow the process, and if you press Ctrl F, you can find the registry key. Let me show you how. And you have to type adapter type, and we have to delete this registry. We need to delete adapter type, and we have to do one more changes. Enable MS hybrid. We need to delete. We need to change the value. Instead of 0, we need 1. And I think we are done here. Restart your system, and thanks for subscribe my channel, and verify your driver in P106.